Hello, and welcome back to Microsoft PowerPoint. In this module, we are going to discuss how to open and create a presentation. To open a presentation, you first go down to your Start button, which is in your lower left-hand corner of your screen. You click, and then in your menus, you go down to where it says PowerPoint. You click on your PowerPoint. Once you click on PowerPoint, that's going to take you automatically to the Backstage view, because the Backstage view is where we need to go to create our document. Or if you had a document already open, a presentation already open, you can just hover over the presentation, select one of those, they'll open, and then you can go to your Backstage view. But for now, we'll stay here in this Backstage view coming from our Start button. You have the option of clicking on different things, which we spoke about in previous modules. But to keep it simple, we're going to just stick with a blank presentation. Once you click your blank presentation, in this version of PowerPoint, you have a couple of things going on. One, you have your design ideas. These over here gives you the option of selecting different designs for your presentation. I want to close that one. We're going to address that later. When you click on it, you're going to come up to what is called your title page. Your title page is just that where you click, you add your title and your subtitles. So for here, under the Home tab, we want to go over to the Design tab. Your Design tab gives you different things in which you can use to design your presentation. They have several here. The one that's highlighted right here is the one that we currently have. If you hover your mouse over the different themes, you'll see where you have a variety of themes. You also have more if you use your scroll down arrow. The same concept, hovering, you can see what it is that you want to choose for your presentation. If you use a drop down arrow, that basically shows you all of them. This one I don't use too much because it covers part of your screen that you're trying to make your presentation for. So I want to keep it simple. And what I want to do is click and we select a Subtitle Slide. I think I like this one. Here we go with this one. Now, once you have set your thing, what you have is called a title slide. Your title slide is just that. Whenever you have a presentation, you should always start out with a title slide. Even if you have like more than one or two topics that you want to discuss, you can actually have more than one title slide. But for now, we want to just click and we have a title slide here. And I want to call this one Joint as Outreach Ministry. And then for a subtitle, you click the subtitle and let's see. Now, okay, so I've given the title slide a title and I've given it a subtitle. Go back to your home key. Now here on your home key, this is how you select new slides. On your new slides, you have options. Remember, we try to always keep the title slide, and if you want to keep that for your concurrent slide, that's fine. But if you click the drop-down menu, the drop-down button, you'll see where you have additional slides in which you can use to add content. You have the title slide itself, a title and content, a section header, to content, and you can read and see the different slides that you have, the options that you have. Depending on the theme which you select, would determine how many options that you have. So this thing we have these many options. And so to insert a second slide, let's go with title and content. Just to keep it simple. So now I'm putting in the title and content. So now I have a second slide. Another way of duplicating slides is if you hit your control, if you hit your enter key, then that will duplicate the same slide that you just had previously. I'm going to control Z and take that out right now. And so here you want to add your another title or your topic to your next set of instructions. So here I want to click in our next title for the next slide. And then when you come down to your subtitle box, now if you notice when you click here, you can enter data. I want to just make it real simple. If you hit your enter key will take you down to the next line. It will also maintain your bullet. So, and share. Now, if you need to make a second level, you hit your enter key and then you tab, and that'll give you a second level for if you need to add a second level. Or you can hold I can hit my shift tab key, and that will take me back. Or you can do the Control Z. Shift tab takes you back, tab, tab, tab. Control Z takes you back to your previous command. So for now, that's what we have for putting in, creating a presentation, opening a presentation. Next, we're going to go into putting in icons and other things to enhance our presentation. Until the next time, God bless you.